People spend hours every day watching videos, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or even Netflix, and then they wonder why they're still stuck financially. But what if I told you that there are companies out there that will actually pay you to do what you're already doing? Watching videos. And no, I'm not talking about surveys or cashback apps. I'm talking about real opportunities with real companies where you can work from home on your own time reviewing video content. And some of these job roles pay pretty well depending on the company. And get this, most people have no idea that they even exist. So in this video, I'm going to break down 6 different ways that you could potentially earn money by watching videos. And no, you don't have to be on the videos yourself. You don't need to purchase any fancy equipment and you don't need experience. This is going to be an awesome video and we're going to hop into it right now. So first up on the list, we got a company called Appen. Appen has been around since the 90s and is considered a legit publicly traded company with a solid track record. Now, the job that we're focusing on here is called a video evaluator. Here's how it works. Appen will send you a batch of short video content, usually pulled from YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and your job is to watch them and rate them based on its relevance and quality. You're not creating anything. You're not editing anything. You're simply just reviewing it and just giving your feedback. And once you finish the task, you get paid. And the pay structure may vary, but it's flexible and often can be done on your phone while you're relaxing or multitasking. No calls, no meetings, just watch and rate. Now, one thing that people do appreciate about Appen is they will provide you with temporary accounts. That way you're not clogging up your own social media feeds or algorithm. It's a super easy beginner way to get your foot in the door if you've been looking for remote related work. So if you're interested in getting started with this, you'll want to head over to CrowdGen by Appen Jobs. And once you land on the page, you'll see everything you need: the position overview, the requirements, the responsibilities, info on the compensation. And all you have to do to apply is just simply click the apply button and fill out the application. After you submit the application, you'll usually receive an email from CrowdGen to set up your account. Just follow the simple instructions to reset your password to complete the setup process. And once your account is ready, you can move forward with the application for that specific project-based role. Now, this next one on this list has been solid for a long time, and it's a company called Rev.com. If you've ever watched a YouTube video with the captions on or turned the subtitles on a Netflix show, then chances are someone like you helped create them. And Rev will offer you an opportunity to get paid to work with them by captioning and subtitling video content. And they offer 3 different ways to work. First, you got transcription, where you listen to the audio and you type out what is being said. Then you got captioning, which is similar, but you have to sync up the text with the timing of the speaker's voice. And then you got subtitling, which is like captioning, but it's often in a different language. If you're just starting out, transcription and captioning can have lower entry barriers and can be a great way for you to build up experience. And if you're someone who's bilingual, subtitling can open up even more opportunity. And look, there's no camera, no mic, no experience involved here. And the cool part is they pay weekly through PayPal, and there's usually a steady flow of work available. To apply to this company, you'll simply go to rev.com/freelancers, and you will choose the role that fits you the best, whether it's transcription, captioning, or subtitling. You pick what works for you, and then you'll take a short quiz to show them that you can follow simple direction. And if you pass, you'll get access to the job board where you can start working. All right, now this next one is a little different, but it may be the most meaningful one on this list. And it's a company called Gaggle. They pay people to review student content to help identify potential risk or concerning behavior. It's a way to help schools keep students safe online while working remotely and on your own schedule. We're talking about students in kindergarten through 12th grade that's uploading school projects, messages, videos, and more. And your job is to review that content and flag anything that may be concerning, like bullying, abuse, self-harm, threats, and yes, a lot of it is video content, but what really makes this meaningful is that you could potentially be helping someone before a situation gets worse. So you're not just working, you can be making a real impact. In terms of compensation, this company has been known to pay pretty good for these type of roles, but it can vary depending on the specific job listing or the project. But if this sounds like something that you're interested in, you want to head over to Gaggle's official job board page and you want to scroll through the available listing and you want to look for titles like comment reviewer or student safety representative. If you find one that matches your interests and qualifications, just click on it, read through the details, and then fill out the short application form. And one quick heads up, these jobs tend to open and close frequently. So if you don't see anything available, just simply bookmark the page, then come back in a week or two because they often add new reviewer positions when slots open up. All right, number 4 now. This one right here is a little bit underrated. It's with a company called 3Play Media, and the job role is a voice writer. Let me explain what a voice writer is. You basically join a live stream, whether it's church service, live event, or a webinar. And you basically just repeat what the speaker is saying into your microphone. That's it. They have an AI tool that will convert your voice into live captioning. This is for people who are deaf, people who are hard of hearing, or people just prefer to read instead of listen. You're not typing, you're not transcribing by hand. It's just you, your headset, and about 90 minutes of focused listening and speaking. Now, this role doesn't require any prior experience, but you will need to be clear, consistent, and able to follow along accurately in real time. Now, the pay vary depending on the project, but this is an opportunity that's flexible and it's great for people who are good at repeating what they hear. Now, to apply, you want to go to 3playmedia.com and you want to scroll to the bottom of the homepage and you want to click on a link for transcription jobs. And you want to look for listings like voice writer or real-time transcription. Now, once you apply, they will just put you through a simple test, and if you pass, you'll be added to the list of approved contractors, and then you can start picking jobs based on your schedule. Next up, number 5 is a company called Daily Transcription. Now, this is perfect for someone who's more detail-oriented, or if you already have a little experience in transcription work. They hire people to transcribe and subtitle video content. But what stands out about this company is their pay structure. Instead of paying hourly wages, they pay you per hour of video content completed. That means if you transcribe an hour-long video, you can earn a higher flat rate for that project. But it depends on your typing speed and accuracy. Some people, it may take longer. But even still, this is a great option for people who are looking for more flexible, project-based work and the potential to earn more than the average online gig. Now, if you want to get started with them, you want to head over to dailytranscription.com/careers. And you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and you will see different links for different job roles like general transcriptionist, legal transcriber, or medical transcriber. You want to pick the one that fits your skills the best, and then you want to do the application and upload a resume if requested. Job number 6 is from a company that you've definitely heard of, and it's Amazon. But what you probably didn't know is that Amazon also runs a separate platform called Mechanical Turk, or MTurk for short, and you can get paid to complete small, simple tasks online, and they call these micro tasks. And many of them involve watching short videos, tagging objects, checking for quality content, or moderating uploaded clips. For example, a company may upload 10 to 20 short videos, and they may ask you to identify objects, review the captions, or flag anything that doesn't meet the guidelines. This is stuff that requires a human's touch, stuff that AI just isn't good at yet. But I'm going to be real with you. The pay will vary depending on the job. Some jobs may pay $1, or some jobs may pay even more depending on the time, the complexity. But if you start to get faster with this, the more you do it, you get faster, and then you start to choose the right jobs, this can start to add up. People who've been using Mechanical Turk for a while, they say it is possible to earn a decent side income by stacking these tasks throughout the day. And the great thing about it is it's flexible. There's no degree required. There's no long-term commitments. And yes, many of these jobs involve reviewing and watching video content. To get started, you want to go to mturk.com and you want to click where it says Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. And you'll see two options. One option says Create a Task, and the other option says Make Money. You want to click where it says Make Money. That'll take you to the worker page where you can sign in to your Amazon account. And if you don't have one, though I'm pretty sure most of you do, but if you don't, you can sign up for free. And then you just complete the application form. And once you're approved, you can start browsing through the task, or also known as hits, and begin earning for the ones you complete. All right, you just saw 6 different ways that you can earn online by watching videos. And you don't need a camera, you don't need an audience, and for some of these, you don't even need experience. There's no fluff here. These are real companies that will pay you to work from home. Now, let's be clear. This isn't some overnight success thing. You're not going to get rich by doing this. But if you stick with it and you layer a few of these together, this could become a solid way for you to earn an extra income from the comfort of your own home. Now, if you want to take things further, I put together a free training series where I show you how to earn in affiliate marketing step by step. That way you can copy me. You can check it out right here. And you can also find it from the link in the description. Appreciate you for stopping by. See you on the next one.